Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. BLT, writer of 3-minute songs in 2 minutes or less, on the spot, on demand, and in multiple genres. Hope you're having a good morning. It's my brand new song. It's called She's Vanished. She's vanished. That girl is gone. She didn't even stop to say so long. Now I sing a sad and dreary song. She's vanished. That girl is gone. She's vanished, yeah, she just disappeared. And I can't see her, no, not from here. Now I find it hard to carry on. She's vanished. That girl is gone. Have you seen her anywhere? If you have, ask her if she still cares, and tell her to come back here. But she's vanished. She up and disappeared. Without her, life just don't make sense. I've looked high and low, and that floor's just rather dense. But I can't see her, that girl. I'll probably search all around the world. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do-do. Without her, life don't make any sense. And I've looked high and low, I've looked across the fence. But I can't see that girl. So I'll probably search all across the world, yeah. 'Cause she's vanished. She's vanished. She's vanished. Try saying that in Spanish. My girl is gone. Dr. BLT, thank you for being my fan.